Guided by the philosophy put forward by President Xi that lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets, and the responsibility of saving a great environment for the descendants, Henan Chaoli Energy Corporation has been devoted itself to R&D and produced safe, energy-saving, and environmental-friendly batteries since the day of its birth. Gathering the top talents at domestic and abroad, Chaoli has set up a full-functional zinc-based battery research center, which provides a substantial support in both talents and technology guarantee for the continuous progress and the development of new type batteries. With 20 years' great efforts and accumulation of technologies, Chaoli has made a new generation of nickel-zinc batteries, and its technology has reached a global leading level in the field of battery industry. Chaoli, with more than 40 key patents, has joined the lead to formulate the first industry standard for nickel-zinc battery. With the advanced technology and new material, the batteries can still keep well without fire or explosion under the following conditions: as being punctured, cut, burnt, short circuit, squeezed, frozen to -40 degrees Celsius, etc. The batteries meet various application requirements. Chaoli initiated a new era of rechargeable batteries. Chaoli, as a national high-tech enterprises, as well as the core member of Chilwee Group, it has set up several fully automatic production lines by introducing international advanced R&D and production equipment. Strong productivity ensuring Chaoli can supply safe and environmental-friendly rechargeable batteries for millions of families. Chaoli New Energy Corporation wishes to work with you to create a better future.